bonjour, good morning. Actually, I'm not a French, but we went for French classes, picked up some petty French languages, so showing off a little. How is everybody doing? Hope by the grace of God you are all fine. Oh, come on, that was this policeman, this cop. That was too short. Let's go again. Yes, as I said, how is everybody doing? I hope by the grace of God you are all fine. We thank God for that. I love gaming. Gaming is good. It depends on how you do it, You need to entertain the mind. It's very good, and it's a command from God to entertain the mind. Even though doing it is interesting, but you don't do it just because it's interesting. You do it because it's a command from God. But of course, this command, indeed, I enjoy doing it a lot. Subway Surface. Very nice game. Simple but nice. The graphics are good. Everything looks good. The music is nice. Keeps you going, Ooh, that was nice. Yep, I want those ones. Those coins, I think, are many than those lying on the road, in the street form. A jetpack. If you see it, go for it. Yeah, collect all of them. Not leaving even one. Actually, I'm kidding. We are leaving some. We've left some. Down. This cop. Please don't catch me. Don't want my mother to ground me. I hate being grounded. I don't want to be grounded. Where is the magnet? I remember I picked a magnet. Oh, it was the duration is short. I have to edit it. Oh, I have to upgrade it. Sorry. Jetpack again. Yep, always go for the long ones. The ones that are in the form of an arc. I think those ones are plenty than those on the ground. I think those in the air are plenty than those on the ground. Oh, okay, guys. I will stop here. I'll continue later. Subway Surface, a nice game indeed. 20,000. Sorry, 21,814. Yes. I remember math class. So I will stop here. I'll continue later, some other time. And God bless you for your time. And please stay healthy. And please continue taking care of yourself. And don't forget to pray when you sleep. Okay?